today's video, we are going to talk about cryptocurrencies, how we trade them or how we get them, how we deposit into our accounts, the cryptocurrency to watch out for, then um, a lot of stuff about cryptocurrency. So watch this video, like, subscribe, then comment, then even share to friends for more upcoming videos here. So I'm here with Joseph. He's a cryptocurrency, trader. Then I'm going to ask him a couple of questions, which you are free to comment about it here. So Joseph, please, if I may ask, what is cryptocurrency?
Okay, so cryptocurrencies are, let me just make it simpler to each and every one. So cryptocurrencies are just digital currencies. They are not actual money that we see. They are just digital, which has been programmed on a platform. So the first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin. That was mined around like 2009. Yeah. So we had that coin, and then now, as at now, it's raining at a high price of about $24,000 and over. So it's all about digital currencies.
Okay, so that's nice. Then the next question I would ask is, what's a blockchain technology in cryptocurrencies?
Okay, so when we talk of blockchains, we all know of networking and stuff. So blockchains are just networks, or let me just say networks which are being built on a platform. So we have many networks that are built on crypto platforms. So we have Tron, ERC, Arbitrum, BNB Smart Chain, a whole lot.
Okay, thanks. So let me ask, how can I buy crypto in the first place? How can I buy it?
Okay, buying a cryptocurrency is just simply about, you have to be vigilant. You can get someone who wants to sell his or a crypto coin. Moreover, you can go to a platform, a trading platform that we are talking of plenty trading platform, starting from Binance, Bybit, a whole lot, Huobi, P2B, Lbank, OKX, a whole lot. So all these coins have been listed, and then if you want to buy some, just there are some couple of processes you have to go through to get those coins.
Okay, thanks. So another question is, what are the most popular cryptocurrencies? Like, name 5 of them. Then, yeah.
Okay, so as I initially said, there are a whole lot of digital coin, a whole lot, but we have ones which are popular. For example, Bitcoin, which was the first. We have Ethereum. We are having Doge, which was founded by our own Twitter CEO, Elon Musk. We also have Satoshi Core. We're having a whole lot. We have Manchester City,
Wow.
PSG. They are all having their
Okay. That's interesting. So, if I buy cryptocurrency, it's just like, if I have money, where am I going to store it? So, if I have cryptocurrency, where am I going to store it?
Okay, that's a good question. We have wallets. We have wallets to store your crypto coin. We have decentralized and centralized wallets. I'll just make it simpler. So we have platforms that you can trade, and at the same time you save your coins or your cryptocurrencies. And then we also have only wallets. They are not meant for trading. They are only meant to hold your assets. That's your NFTs, your coins, and a whole lot. So we have Binance, OKX, the other ones you can think of, or you can talk of which you can trade. That's you buying and selling. That's also, which is also a wallet to store your coin. And we also have MetaMask, Fast Wallet, uh, the same OKX. We have a wallet, and then it's also a trading platform. But most of the times, the most popular ones to hold your assets or to hold your coins should be your your wallet. Those having those passphrases, because they are the most secured wallet to talk of.
Okay. So one may say, what is mining in cryptocurrency? Maybe in short sentence, what's mining? Yeah,
Okay.
in
So
cryptocurrency.
when we say mining, it's just that people are now investing in these crypto coins. So we just distribute. It may be in a form of airdrop, a free token, a giveaway, anything you can talk of. So the person will just have an amount of coins that needs to be distributed to the public. So if you are lucky, then you mine. Then when it is listed, you are able to withdraw.
So one may ask another question that um are cryptocurrencies legal? Which maybe I'll answer the question myself because I know that it's legal. Then I've heard of one or two things that in these coming ages, in the future, there will not be there will be paperless, transaction instead of the real papers we use. Yeah. So another question for you is that what are your current cryptocurrencies under your watch that you are watching that it will be listed or to go higher or lower or something?
Okay, so um, for me, my advice to anyone who wants to invest in cryptocurrencies, you don't just invest in cryptocurrency, then uh, always, we all hope that all our investments should be profitable. But with cryptocurrency, you just have to be patient. Yeah, because if you are not that kind of someone who really takes risk, you can't invest. And then moreover, there are so many coins you can think of. But my advice is just get those new ones which are now, let me talk of mining, and then those which have been listed, and then the prices are not that high. You should just get just some amount, and then you just buy them, and then you keep them for the future.
We are going to talk about the what plans you have, what maybe groups or maybe courses or something for people interested to even gain from it, then and be exposed to the cryptocurrency world. Yeah.
Okay, so actually, I'm not going to talk of mentorship and do stuff as at now. Um, uh, I also have some schedules and stuff. But if you are willing, if you are willing to know about cryptocurrencies, or you can just get to me, then you can even get my contact, then you text me, and then we start with everything. And I'm not someone who is going to charge you of anything. No, just get the basic knowledge. Because cryptocurrencies, as we are saying, this country especially, we our elders and stuff talk of these things, they will be thinking of it's a scam, a whole lot. Just that you just need to be vigilant uh, on the platform. That's it. So you have to get the basic knowledge to guide you to not just get scammed. That's it.
So I think I have your WhatsApp and group link. So I will drop it into the description or the comment section so that you check it out. As he said, he's not going to charge you for come this that. So we even like you to even subscribe, comment, then like this section for your benefit here. For your gain. So ending, what are some add-ons you would like to add to this session? Or
Let me just say to the people out there that that mentality of online is a scam and a whole lot. No, now people are really making a huge amount of money with these platforms, these crypto and forex stuff. So even that should even motivate with the youth. It's just a process, and surely, definitely, you are going to make it. So just get to know people who are willing to give you the knowledge so that we all can just grow together.